We do have some warmer temperatures heading our way this week. That does come with rain.
Okay.
Rather than snow for us.
We'll take it.
So yeah, we're going to be changing the dynamic a little bit, but our transition is going to be a little tricky tonight and into tomorrow. Okay. We're going to have the chance for some freezing rain. So some ice potential going to be possible tonight, tomorrow morning. You could have some slick conditions and plan on needing a little extra time for that morning commute. As I mentioned, temperatures are going to be improving, and that's going to mean rain rather than snow. We've got kind of several rounds of mostly rain that'll be heading our way this week. And of course, warmer overall is going to be key for us. We had 9 days below the freezing mark. So we finally broke out of that today, and we're going to stay above freezing for our high temperatures all the way through the end of the month at least and into the first part of February. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to see several rounds of rain, mostly rain. Initially tonight into tomorrow, we could have some wintry mix and a little bit of that freezing rain in the picture. So some sloppy conditions to start tomorrow morning, and then we'll see a transition to all rain. So we'll see one round going into tomorrow, another round of rain for Wednesday. Thursday, some additional rain, and you know what, we even have some of that lingering into Friday, and the potential to see another system into the weekend. So plenty of rain potential heading our way, but we are going to at least have those warmer temperatures to enjoy. So that at least will be good. A lot of cloud cover out there right now. Notice those dew points, 18 degrees. They're creeping up a little bit, but we still have some relatively dry air in place at the surface. So we're going to watch that very closely tonight. Temperatures 39 degrees right now. That's the warmest we've been in almost 10 days at this point. Still a little bit of a wind chill out there, but still so much better than what we have had to deal with over the past week and a half or so. Those temperatures are something we're going to watch very closely for tonight. We're going to see those dropping back with the system moving in. We've got a lot of winter weather advisories in the blue there, stretching all the way from the plains over towards areas of Pennsylvania and New York. So that does include our entire area. Winter weather advisories in place for tonight through at least tomorrow morning. Main concern being freezing rain. Our temperatures at the surface have improved, but a lot of our surfaces are still below freezing because we spent 9 days below the freezing mark. So as we get some rain into the picture tonight, there's a chance that could all freeze on contact with some of those surfaces. So I think most of our treated roadways should be decent. It's more those back roads, side roads, parking lots, driveways, sidewalks, things like that that are likely to have a lot of issues into tomorrow morning. So far this evening, we've had just a couple of brief showers, especially up closer to the lakeshore. Much of the action, though, still off to our west across western Ohio, Indiana, Illinois. We'll watch all this. We see some additional moisture pushing off to the southwest. This really connects all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. So plenty of rain going to be heading our way. And initially, especially after midnight, we could see that in the form of freezing rain. So much of this arrives after midnight here. And then we do have the potential for some of that icing and some slick conditions tonight and into that commute tomorrow morning. It could be a sloppy one for many areas, with temperatures in the lower 30s. As we go through the day, temperatures do improve a little bit. We're into the mid 30s through the afternoon, and that'll mean a changeover to all rain as we get towards lunchtime and into the afternoon hours. That rain is not as abundant for the evening commute. Still around, there's just not as much of it. Our temperatures continue to improve, and that National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast is going to show a big warm up for Wednesday. We get another round of rain, but temperatures get into the 40s through the afternoon, which is going to feel very nice. Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook, we get even warmer into Thursday. Low 50s for us, but we'll still have the chance for some rain. Some of that rain lingers into Friday. And then as we get into the weekend, temperatures do start to trend downward. We're back a little closer to average in the 30s heading into next week, Russ.
All right, Jessica, thanks a lot.